Hey everyone, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. Today is Friday, October 11th. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and let's break down what happened in the markets yesterday. Before we get started, just a quick reminder. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. They're your go-to provider for personalized investment solutions and mutual funds. For more details, visit amf-capital.de. So, the stock market pulled back a bit after some hot inflation numbers stirred up more uncertainty around what the Federal Reserve might do with interest rates next month. The Dow Jones dropped just over 10 basis points, and the Standard & Poor's 500 fell 21 basis points. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq held pretty steady, down less than 0.1%. Now, here's what really caught everyone's attention. The latest consumer inflation print showed prices rose 0.2% last month, which was a bit more than the 0.1% Wall Street was expecting. On an annual basis, inflation clocked in at 2.4%, just above the expected 2.3%. That might not sound like a huge difference, but when you're already walking a tightrope on inflation, every decimal matters. Investors are scratching their heads a little, trying to figure out if we're heading for a no-landing scenario, where the economy keeps growing but inflation sticks around longer than the Fed would like. That's got everyone on edge, especially after last week's strong jobs report, which fueled concerns about inflation making a comeback. In another twist, we saw a big jump in jobless claims yesterday, with initial unemployment claims rising to 258,000, much higher than expected. That's the highest level since August 2023, and it threw another curveball into the mix for the Fed's next move. Speaking of the Fed, traders are now seeing a 17% chance that the central bank holds rates steady in November. Just last week, that number was at 0%, with everyone expecting a 25 basis point cut. Things are changing fast. And keep your eyes on Tesla. They hosted their highly anticipated robotaxi event last night. Elon Musk unveiled a futuristic two-door, butterfly-winged cybercab prototype, which he's betting big on for Tesla's future. Let's see how that works out. Alright, that's a wrap for Capital Markets Quickie today. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll be back tomorrow with more updates. Have a great day, everyone.